Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have a special casting. It is not part of Hot Wheels. As you can see here, it is Burago's Bugatti Bolide. If you guys are wondering from where I have bought this amazing casting, yes, I have bought this from a local shop. The shop owner is a friend of mine. So first of all, thanks to him. Because of him only, I got this amazing casting. If you guys wondering what is the MRP actually, I am not going to reveal the MRP here, but I can tell you it is in between 450 to 600. Okay. But the thing is, I really doubt कि you guys will get in at any local shop, just like other Hot Wheels or any other die casting, because it is a Japanese company, is Burago. You guys can also Google it if you wonder. So if you guys really want to have the Burago's casting, I will suggest you to talk with local shop owners. They will add in somehow, or maybe they will charge extra. Because of his friend of mine, he didn't charge extra anything, or rather he helped me out to get this diecast. If you guys want to know his name or want to know his shop location, I will let you know in comment section. Let me know in comment section also. And are you guys ready for unboxing? I'm really excited to unbox this casting, because I have not even seen the inside of this diecast also. So yes, I am also excited as much as you guys are. So let's unbox this. So the first come to the packaging. The box is looking very amazing actually. It is a paper or mixture of cardboard, something like material. And the package, as you can see here, everything is written in Japanese. I wonder, okay, what is they have written inside, as I am not very good at Japanese, but yes, I know something. So I think I will I will ask ChatGPT what is the meaning of this letters, and what they have written in the box. But overall the packaging is very good, and as you can see here, they have written here the Bugatti here, and also the logo, and the car casting also is here. So yes, if you want to rate me the package, the packaging is I will rate this around 3.6 or 3.8 out of 5. Yes, it is looking amazing. So let's unbox this. Okay, shall we? Yes. Here's the casting. Let me unbox this. It is actually difficult a little bit because the packaging is actually over solidified, and it is little hard for me almost unboxing it. Let me unbox it. Here it is. Okay. This. Acha, so lots of packaging and stickers are there. Okay, and finally it is here. Oh. So as you can see here, let me show you the casting. It is looking very great actually. The paint, man, just looking at the paint and the finishing, as everything is so nice. It is not so heavy, but it is one of the best diecast I have ever had. Okay, or maybe ever will be, because other than other Hot Wheels are not like this. The finishing, the details, the line outline, everything is so fab. I mean, if you want to rate me now, the fade, yeah, just by touching it now, it is giving up a lot of, I mean, it is giving me a lot of a premium vibe, trust me. and the cast and the outline detailing, everything is so perfect and it is so nice actually. If you let me show you guys also. Here, here's the casting, and as you can see here, the mark, the logo of Bugatti is also here, and the highlight details, everything is so nice. And the backlight, the finishing, and here it is also written the Bugatti is also here, and the finishing is, everything is here. The diecast also great, and the rolling speed is also smooth and very promising. If you guys want to rate me, I will rate this diecast around 9 out of 5 and out of 10 because obviously the diecast is so minute details are there, and the color of this Bugatti Bolide is fabulous. So yes, it will be worth enough for rating 9 out of 10. Let me know this if you guys also like this unboxing. And if you wonder this kind of diecast, I really should unbox this kind of different than Hot Wheels, let me know in the comment section also. And yes, I am seeing a lot of guys are viewing my YouTube videos, which is actually very good thing. But people are not subscribing, so I'm requesting, if you guys are actually watching my videos, please subscribe me. So it will boost me. It will encourage me to make this type of videos also, and also it will boost my YouTube channel. Okay, so for now it's a wrap up. Okay, hope you guys like this, you guys are liking this video. If you guys like this video, put a comment, like this video, and if you guys want to share, yes, you guys can also share it. So for today it's a wrap up. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thumbs up.